Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to play Unturned with your friends. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to play Unturned with your friends? Stay tuned because this video is for you. As you can see here, we are now in Unturned in the home screen, and you can get this game for free on Steam. Just download it, very straightforward. So to play with your friends, all you need to do is click on play here on the left menu. And here, you need to click on lobby. And in lobby, you're going to see members. So this is me. So I don't have friends, but at the bottom of the screen, you have an invite friend option. So clicking on this will open the Steam friend overlay like this. As you can see, I have two friends right now. Or you could just type the friend name, and they will pop up if they're on your friends list and if they are online and not invisible. So just click on them and they're going to be set at invite. So once that happens and they accept the invite, their name will be popping up here under yours until your lobby is full or until you're satisfied with how many people you're going to play with.